In the ever-increasing hustle and bustle of the digital world, people are moving to video to sharpen their skills and create easy-to-follow training materials. Imagine lining up a library of engaging learning videos using text in minutes. Colossyan is the all-in-one AI video platform for workplace learning, enabling you to easily create AI-generated videos from text with no previous video editing experience necessary. Type or paste your text into the script box, choose your avatar, add a few scenes and transitions, and generate a professional studio-quality video. To help you get going even quicker, you can also create videos using our library of templates, import your PDFs or PowerPoints, or use our Prompt-to-Video feature. With Prompt-to-Video, you only need to describe the video you would like to make, and we'll create a complete video draft for you using GPT. With a variety of AI avatars to deliver your lessons, you can localize content easily and quickly translate to over 70 languages, include captions to engage viewers, and help them retain more information. Colossyan also offers automatic translation in up to 28 languages, so you can save on the cost of expensive translators. Make videos that feel like conversations. Colossyan lets you add up to 4 avatars in one scene to recreate realistic conversation-based dialogues that can help improve scenario-based training. Soon you'll be able to have these avatars talk to each other using an over-the-shoulder view, making dialogues even more engaging. Use brand kits to apply brand assets like colors, fonts, and logos to create visually consistent videos to represent your brand. Instead of spending time and money on video production, create engaging and professional training videos with Colossyan. Try it for free today.